The first step in bulk assigning users to segments is to prepare the CSV file with the user provisioning information. The required fields are username and cohort 1, which refers to the user's segment ID. This can be found on the User Segments page in Site Admin. Note that users can be assigned to multiple user segments by adding additional columns to the CSV file. You can learn how to do this from the support document linked below. Once your CSV file is ready, you can navigate to Site Admin and on the User Management page, click on Bulk Upload Users. Here you can simply drag and drop your file into the upload area, review your delimiter and encoding settings, and click on Bulk Upload Users via CSV to continue. You will then be given the opportunity to preview the user upload and specify your upload settings. When selecting the upload type, you can select Update Existing Users Only to ensure that the system does not try to create new users. You can then select to override existing user details with the uploaded file. Scroll down and click on Bulk Upload Users via CSV to perform the upload. The results of your bulk upload will then be displayed, and you will be able to see how many users were successfully added to their assigned segments. When you then click on Continue, you will find these updates reflected on the User Segments page.